Hi guys, IT Jericho here. I just want to make a video on how to download and install Windows 10. If you're a Windows 7 user, you notice that we are advising you guys to download and install Windows 10 or go to a local technician and have them download it for you. It is recommended, especially when it comes to security, because ever since January 14, Windows 7 is no longer receiving security updates from Microsoft. So here are basic steps on how to do it. I'm sorry, I'm using Windows 10 already, so I won't be able to guide you all the way through, but just the preparation and what to do until the very point where it's going to install it. So first, open a browser, and then you can search on Google Windows 10 download, and then it will lead you to the Microsoft website. It's the very first one. So you have options here. Of course, mine is already running Windows 10, so it has the option to update. And if you're still on Windows 7, of course, that's why you're watching this video. Click on Download Tool Now. So this is what we need, and then you can install. You can download it and save it anywhere. In this case, I'll save it on the desktop. So once it's done, you can close this out now, and then double click this, and then you should get this window. So it may take time to get things ready, um, because it's checking all your PC specs. It's not downloading yet. It's just setting up your computer to install Windows 10. It may take some time. I mean, I'm already using a solid state drive, and it's still taking time. Okay, so next is this is just for um, license agreement. So click accept. Okay, it is getting a few things ready again. All right. So now we're on this page. So we have two options: upgrade this PC now, or create installation media for another PC. The second option is if you want to reformat or install Windows 10 on another PC, and you want to install this this installer to a USB flash drive. And well, for that, you need, of course, at least 80 gigabytes of flash drive memory or storage to save it there so that you can work on another PC. But for us, what we need to do is to select the first one, upgrade this PC now. All right, so after that, click on next. And then this should be the part where it will take time because it is going to download. Now, this may vary on your download speed, your hard drive speed if you're using an SSD. So it may take time. Okay, I am running at PLDT Fiber 100 Mbps, and you can see how slow the progress is. All right. Right after this, when this one reaches to 100, you have the option to click next, and all you need to do is to click next, 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 install. And then once you do that, it will start installing. It will restart multiple times, maybe 3 or 4 times. And then after that, the last time it boots up, the first time it boots up after the installation, you will be on Windows 10, and your PC would be as good as new. All right. So, okay, I think I cannot go on any longer because it really takes time. So, I would stop the video here, and if you need further assistance, please contact the IT team. For this one, this is just an option if you want to do it on your own. But of course, we would always recommend to go to your local technician and have them do it for you. Just remember that while you're installing, do not turn off your computer. Make sure that you don't have a schedule a scheduled power outage in your area before doing this. So those are the tips that I can give you. You can definitely do this. It's really easy, but if you're not confident yourself doing it, then please, by all means, go to a local technician. Just remember that upgrading to Windows 10 is free if you're using Windows 7, and don't pay for the Windows itself. Just pay for their services. Definitely, they can download it like what you see here. We just downloaded it for free, right? So that's all that you need to pay for is their services, and if you want to, of course, buy the licensed version, sometimes it's like 5,000, 6,000 pesos, but you can actually download the unactivated version. So what will happen is that there is a watermark here that says that your Windows is not activated yet. Now, if that happens, you can actually go to Lazada, and there is an OEM product key on their website that is only worth uh, around 100 to 200 pesos. See, I don't have any watermarks here. It means that my Windows 10 is activated, and I only bought it in Lazada for 150 pesos. All right? Just make sure that um when you check on Lazada, always check the feedbacks. There is another what? Okay, there are so many vendors that sell Windows 10. So um just make sure that you see all those feedbacks. The seller that I bought my Windows from has like 1,000 feedbacks or more, and they're all positive. So that way you can know that the seller is actually legit. Please check the last time someone left a feedback, because you can see 1,000 reviews, but the problem is the last time someone left a feedback was like 2 years ago. So just make sure that there's 1,000 feedbacks, and those are recent feedbacks, just to be on the safe side. So okay. Oh, you know what? We're already on 82%. So maybe we can just wait and see how this part would look like and what to click on next. All right. Okay, I'm running out of things to say, but this is taking way too long. Okay, now we're on 90%. Okay, guys, by the way, last time I used Windows 7 was 2015, I think. 2015, 2000. Oh, no, 2016 was the last time I used Windows 7. And then I upgraded to Windows 10 because of a game that I wanted to play, and it doesn't launch on Windows 7 for some reason. So I needed to upgrade to Windows 10. And there were no regrets. I actually enjoyed Windows 10. I actually enjoy Windows 10 a lot. There are a lot of ton of features. I don't need to install a free antivirus, which consume resources in the background, because Windows 10 already has Windows Defender, which I think is good enough, because I never had an issue when it comes to malware, viruses. I mean, just be smart enough to go to websites that are not suspicious, right? I mean, my life runs on Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, and then of course official game downloading sites. So that's basically what I do on my computer, and I never had issues when it comes to um, viruses. There are no files that slows down my computer. I always clean it up, and yeah, that's basically it. Okay, so we're done with downloading now. Okay, now it is creating the Windows 10 media. Now, what it's doing right now, after downloading the file, it is now setting up the installer itself, um, making it available for converting your Windows 7 into Windows 10. Okay, this is definitely faster than earlier. Okay, guys, this video is taking too long. After this, all you need to do is to click next or install, and after that, it will start installing. It will restart, as I mentioned earlier. It will keep restarting. It will do it multiple times. So, don't panic if it happens. It's normal. So okay, so see, it disappeared. It means the setup is done, and then it is now preparing. After this part, it should show up. It should show another window. Oh, I mean, another window should pop up, and then checking for updates. Okay, it's been a while since I last did this on my computer, so I didn't realize that it's this long. But just you know, a lot, maybe an hour or two of your time to upgrade to Windows, and well, that includes the full installation, setup, and everything. And after that, you'll be back up and running again. So yeah, see, as you notice, we've been talking for a while, and I never clicked on anything. Right? It's basically just preparing, yada yada yada, and then once you get to this page, just click accept. See, all you need to do is to click accept, next, install. That's it. It's as simple as that. All right. So this time it is downloading updates because this tool was set up. I'm not sure which year it was set up, so it still has like the old Windows version, and now it is getting all the necessary updates from the time that this tool was created up until the present time. Whatever new version of Windows is, that is what it's doing now. Okay, I think you get the gist of the video. So okay, I'll just end this now. This may take longer. So just remember, just click next, next, next. Update, install. Just do it, and then you're all set. So thank you guys. I didn't mean for this video to take long. So have a great day. Bye bye.